So this is a very beautiful and spacious living space kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform. This is a spacious and luxurious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Sky Aura, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore bypass, Uttam Nagar, Bavdhan, Pune, and is developed by SN Landmarks and Menlo. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance that leads you to the sales office of the project. And in front of the sales office, you get this internal road which connects you to the service road, which directly connects you to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway. Now, before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview. This project will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel, in which you will be getting 6 towers, which will be having basement plus ground plus 11 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residency. As you can see, behind me is the sales office of the project, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. Now, let me tell you about the location part of this project. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the project's sales office internal road that leads you directly to the sales office. And in front of the road, you get a service road that directly connects you to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway. This project is located near Mumbai-Bangalore bypass, उत्तम नगर, बावधान, पुणे। इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है ओंकार गार्डन चौक which is 300 meters away, Aditya Shagun Mall which is 1.4 kilometers away, and Flame Ring Road which is 1.8 kilometers away. This project has over 20 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, indoor games lounge, library, co-working spaces and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat which has 1282 square feet carpet area. So let me show you the sample flat. This is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door. And then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is a very beautiful and spacious living space, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and then this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a very beautiful dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy a lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now, before I show you the kitchen of this flat, let me show you the first bedroom of the flat, which is just at the entrance of this flat, as this is based on the butterfly concept. So this is a very beautiful and spacious first bedroom of the flat. Where you can see you get a lot of walking space here. You also get your bed setup space here, and you also get an attached balcony to your room, which is connected to your living space's balcony. Then you get a lot of space here where you can set up your dressing table or vanity. You also get an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now let us check out our kitchen. So this is a very beautiful and spacious, you can see a lot of space here, kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform with a sink attached to it. You also get a dry balcony attached to your kitchen where you can set up a washing machine and utilities, and you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you get your fridge setup space here. Now let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me also tell you that you get your common washroom just here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let us check out our second bedroom. So this is our second bedroom of the flat, which is a kid's bedroom. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space here. You also get your bed setup space here, and you get an attached wall-to-wall window here for ventilation and natural lighting. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now, before I show you the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. So this is our spacious and luxurious master bedroom, where you can see you get a lot of walking space and setup spaces. And then this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a wall-to-wall attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you also get a wardrobe setup space here, but that is not all. You also get your walk-in wardrobe space right here with your vanity setup space, and then you also get your attached master washroom right here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Skyora, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore bypass, Uttam Nagar, Bavdhan, Pune, and is developed by SN Landmarks and Menlo. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.